Hello, Fahim. How are you?
I am fine, Sami. How about you?
I am good too. What is that in your hand?
This is the Holy Quran.
Do you read it daily? Yes, I recite it every morning.
That's great. Do you read the translation?
Yes, I read the Bengali translation too,
Why is translation necessary?
to understand the message of Allah.
What does the Quran teach us?
It teaches us truth, peace, and justice.
Is it only for Muslims?
Yep.
No, it is a guidance for all mankind.
How do you feel when you read it? I feel very peaceful and calm.
I want to start reading it with meaning.
That is a very good decision.
Can you suggest a good translation?
Sure, I will give you a list.
Thank you so much, Fahim.
You are welcome, Sami. Fahim, I was thinking about our talk earlier.
Is the Quran the same as it was 1400 years ago?
Yes, Sami.
It has not.
Also,
Allah has promised to protect it.
millions of people memorize it by heart.
So the oral tradition keeps it safe? Yes.
For example, it describes the stages of human development in the womb.
Wow, and this was revealed centuries before microscopes?
Yes. It also